Jolly Phonics Group 2, which is This is letter C and its sound is K. You pretend you are clicking castanets.
Let's learn the vocabulary of C. Cat, crab, confetti.
This is letter K, and the sound of letter K is K. The action is same like that of letter C, like you are clicking castanets.
Learn the vocabulary of K. Kite, kettle, kangaroo.
The next letter is letter E, and the sound of letter E is eh. You will pretend you are breaking an egg in a pan.
Let's learn the vocabulary of E. Egg, elbow, elephant.
The next letter is letter H, and the sound of letter H is Hold your hands up to your mouth, panting as if you are out of your breath, and say
Let's learn the vocabulary of H.